Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select the alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour and click on the switcher next to repeat if you want your alarm to repeat. Then pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Now tap on label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then choose OK. Now you need to choose ringtone over here and tap on one of those melodies. Or choose add new and pick music from your device. As you can see, I don't have any, so I will go with, for example, fairy. Click on the back button and save my alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it. Then select this bin icon at the top right corner, and now it's gone. In order to adjust more alarm settings, just click on those three dots at the top right corner and adjust them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!